Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about sin x equal to e to the power of s minus e to the power of negative s over number 2. So I will put this one going here. So e to the power of s and e to the power of s with number 2. So you have 1 over 2 plus 1 and we have 3 over 2. This one we have negative 1 over 2 e to the power of negative s. So this one divided by this one and this one divided by this one. Next, the integration of 3 over 2. We have 3 over 2s. About this one, we have e to the power of negative 2s over negative number 2. And then I will put about c. So negative number 2, negative number 2, we have positive 1 over 4. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.